All right, so here's a topic that many people don't want to discuss, but substance abuse is a real problem here in Utah.
Experts say one of the best ways you can help is just to listen. Mary Nichols has more in your Check Your Health report.
My addiction has gone on for about 28 years.
David Stewart knows he's hurt a lot of people over the years. His addiction cost him his freedom and almost his family.
Sitting in booking, knowing that I'm going to prison, and calling and having to tell my mother that's what's going to happen. And hearing her cry and realizing how much I'd actually hurt everybody. I really couldn't see it until then.
However, the family he hurt stood by him during his recovery. That support, David says, changed his life.
Once they could see the difference in my way of thought and taking responsibility for my own actions and working on ways to change my behavior, I think that they came around and were hopeful again.
It's very helpful when family comes to be a support system.
Jan Frederickson is an addiction substance abuse counselor with the LDS Hospital Dayspring Treatment Center. She says helping someone with an addiction is tough for any family member, but it can be crucial to their recovery.
The best way they can support them is to let them have the consequence, but to be present and to let them know, you know, I'll be happy to support you in your recovery, but I'm not going to support you in your addiction.
David is now sober, and he's finding himself in a supportive role for his sister-in-law, who is also battling an addiction.
You don't really understand as an addict what you do to other people and how it affects their life until you're on the other side, until you're watching somebody just give up everything that's important to them.
Mary Nichols for Check Your Health.